So today we're here with the Discovery Series Rock Light set. It comes with two remote controls. This one's going to have all of your different colors and mode switching, and this one is just going to do basic on-off and some presets. It's also got a keychain there, so you can put it on your keys if you want to keep it with you. This one goes in your pocket. It comes with we have a set of 8 here, and it comes with 2 different kinds of screws. One's just a pointed screw that can go through things, and then one is more of a bolt that comes with nuts to go on the other side. And then this also has a kill switch for on and off, and it comes with a set of zip ties as well. So we're going to show you how to install.